Hey guys, welcome back at my thoughts on everything. First of all, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you are not subscribed yet, subscribe, like, and turn on the notification. The video of today is a video of a local in Ghana. This local is giving us a small tour on a farm, and this is a pig's farm. Stick to the end because this is also something for investment, so you can get an idea what did I mean with invest in a local. I see you guys in the video.
Yeah, I am in. Good morning. I'm in Volta region. As you can see, I'm walking into a friend's house to check on his pig farming. So as you can see, I'm just by my friend's compound, and I'm walking directly towards where his pigs are. So I am there right now. You can see some of his pigs over there, and you can see the piglets inside, and you can see from here too, they are just hungry and they are searching for something to eat. As you can see behind me, they are ready. They thought I'm bringing them something to eat. So I'm currently over there. So you can see what's happened here. He's having there about how many number? They are about 15 in number. 15. They were supposed to be 30, and he saw some of them leaving about 15 in number. So very soon their mother is going to deliver again because she is pregnant. So over there she's hungry. You see where their source of water is. It's not easy at all. So I'm going back to my place. Yeah. So we are on it. Angry dogs. So the dogs are over there. So I'm going back to my place. As you can see, here's where I stay. That's my house. We are going to slaughter some ducks early this morning, Uh-huh. We are going to slaughter some ducks early this morning because we will be going home tomorrow. So we want to slaughter the ducks for our parents. We are going to give it to them. So as
Hey guys, as you have seen, thank you guys again for watching and subscribe, because there will be a lot more of these videos that local people will show us what it is living there. First of all, this is a friend of mine. He's local, living in Ghana, and he just visited his friend. And I asked him to record a piece for me, and he did it. It's someone I know now for more than like 1 year. I think 1.5 years, 1.5, so 16 months. I know him, and he went to a few places, FaceTime me, so I can see the places and all those kind of things. He also talked for me with some chiefs and about land and those kind of things. And they are also in the region. A lot of the regions, Ada and those kind of regions, there's land. So I know a few trustworthy people there in those regions that are selling land. But this guy, he went there and he showed. So as you can see, it was like a farm. I'm a vegan, by the way, so I don't eat meat. But I can imagine that if you are interested in a farm, this is how they do it there. You know, this is the kind of farms. And to come back, and by the way, I really like how they live. You know, you can feel the energy. It's humble, it's peaceful. You know, I really love how humble it is and how they are. What happens is that what you can also see in this recording of the local is that there's always room for improvement. And the previous video that I made about ways how you can make money, how you can sustain yourself in Africa, this you can also see that the number 5 that I said, that was invest in a local to expand, improve. So you see that there's always room for investments and improvements. Always. It doesn't matter wherever you go on earth. Some places it costs less to invest, to buy yourself in, and the other place it will cost more. So it's nothing strange what I'm talking about. So I hope, guys, you like the piece that I just showed. And what I want to say is that there will be a lot more of this kind of videos on this channel. So subscribe. I have video recordings of locals that they sent for me for so I can add it on my thoughts on everything channel. Let me know if you like this. Let me know what you think about the video, to see the raw local people, and they talk, they explain a few things. Let me know. And if you are a local watching this video, connect me. My email address is in the about section, somewhere up there, about section. It's consultancytube@gmail.com. The Diaspora would love to see this kind of videos. So send me an email, connect me so we can receive the videos of the local and what you need to do. Guys and girls, let me know if you like the video. What do you think about this concept of the farm? And you see how easy they built it, so it's not something really fancy, none of those things. I believe you can do this also. So let me know what you think. I saw, by the way, another girl, a YouTuber, she have a chicken farm. So there's a lot of room for everyone to do a lot of things. an example, if you have like, if you have the patience, if you have the patience to if you have the patience to wait, you can start with like one goat, one sheep, one pig, one chicken, and they will reproduce. It will take a time. You can not with one start perhaps with 10 or 20 chickens or 5 pigs or 10 pigs, you know, those kind of things. It's just like this banana tree that I have. It was the first one I bought a year ago. But this banana tree now has given, let me see, how many babies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 babies. He has given 10 babies. And in those babies, like the one that I'm looking at behind the camera now, has also given babies. And he have give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 babies that I need to cut from the banana trees. So this means it's already 12, and I have 3 other ones that has also given like 6 babies, 5 babies. So in 1 year, I collected like 20 banana trees. These are dwarf banana trees, so they don't grow really big. They are dwarf, so they will stay small. But what I want to say is, you don't need to start with a lot. If it doesn't matter if you do animals farm or plants or food or whatever, you can start small, and only thing you need is patience. Time will do its part. So guys, let me know what you think about this video, and do you want to see more of this local raw videos? Comment and let me know. Subscribe, like, and turn the notification if you're not subscribed yet. If you're subscribed, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video of today. My thoughts on everything, out.